Mina, I am so happy to be here with you today, first of all. I want to ask you, why is Amazon such a profitable business, and can somebody still start in 2020, especially now with the pandemic?
Absolutely. So it's a very common question that I get a lot. Why selling on Amazon? I actually just got this question very recently. So the reason Amazon is so good is because Amazon spent years and years and years perfecting customer experience and building the relationship with the customer. So right now, customers go on Amazon, all their stuff is stored, their credit card, their addresses, everything. And if you buy anything on Amazon, you can return it anytime. So how many times have we been like, let's just buy it, and if we don't like it, we're gonna return it. So that's the beauty of Amazon. We trust it so much that we don't mind buying anything, and I personally buy most of my stuff there. The reason Amazon is so powerful is because they're like a lead magnet. They bring in so many warm customers ready to search for a keyword and find and buy the product. And people trust Amazon so much because they know no matter how good or no matter how bad the product is, they can always return it. They know that they see all of, like, if they want, like, for an example, an electrolyte powder, they type that keyword in, they see so many different products. They can compare, they can look at reviews, they can look at images, they can ask questions. It's all in one place. It's the perfect store, online store for anyone. And so instead of trying to build your own website and having to prove to the customer that you can trust that website, having to prove to the customer that you can deliver the product in a timely manner. So Amazon can deliver in 1 to 2 days versus most anyone, UPS, whatever, will take 5 to 7 days. You're competing with all of that. You're trying to convince the customer that they're not going to get scammed on your website. You're trying to convince the customer, hey, my product is the best one. You shouldn't even research somewhere else. All of that is done for you on Amazon, where you go in, your payment methods are there, your address is there, everything is saved. You don't have to worry about anything. You can return products if they're bad. Amazon makes it incredibly easy for the customers to trust them and buy from them, and we capitalize on that. And so, is it still possible in 2020? Absolutely. And we'll talk about this in the next video, but as long as you come up with a solution to a problem that's better than anyone else's solution, why wouldn't anyone buy from you on Amazon? Amazon has become, a level playing field. It's very competitive. If, you're making a product or someone is selling a product and you come in and make a product that's better than that, better than everyone else's product, why wouldn't they buy your product? And if you get reviews and you have a good price, why wouldn't they buy your product? If you think of Amazon, it's the store that everyone's going to go to. Amazon is now becoming the #1 store everyone's going to go to. So since that's the place to be, where everyone's buying their stuff, why wouldn't you get in it? Anywhere else, it's going to be very hard to compete with the level of trust that Amazon has. And so I think Amazon is still a valid opportunity.
Amazing.
Awesome.
I agree.